exercise 14.3. Question number 1 is here. Carry out the following divisions. Okay. So let's try to understand one by one. First one is given 28x to the power 4 divide by 56x. So my dear student, how to simplify it? Here equal to sign. So I need to write this as a numerator and this as a denominator. Got it? So the factors of 28 are, we know 1 into 28. What about x to the power 4? Indicate that x into x into x into x power 4 times upon 56. The factors of 56 are 2 into 28 and this x is already there. You can see, dear student, 28 cancel. One of the x is also cancel. So what is left in the numerator? 1, 2, 3 times x. So is it x cube? Here only 2. So the answer is x cube by 2. If not, then you can mention 1/2 x cube. That is also same thing. This is the solution of first. So the second we are given minus 36y cube divided by 9y square. So my dear student, here equal to minus 36y cube upon 9y square. 36 is 9 4 cha, you know. Y cube, if not then you can mention 4 9 cha. It is easy. And y cube is 3 times 1. Denominator 9 as it is. Y square 2 times y into y. So 1 time 9 cancelled. One more y cancel. One more y cancel. So in numerator what is left? Minus 4 and this y. Nothing is denominator. So answer is minus 4y. This is the complete solution of two numbers. Quite easy. Third, we are given 66p q square r cube divided by 11q r square. So, my dear student, I need to write here 66p q square r cube upon 11q r square. So, 66 can be written as 6 into 11. What about p? Single time p. Q square indicate 2 times q into q and r cube indicate that r 3 times. So r into r into r upon. You can see here 11 is there into q 1 time, r square indicate r into r 2 times. So let's simplify. Be ready? 11 into 11 cancel. Beside this q cancel, one r cancel, another r is also cancelled. So in the denominator all the terms cancelled. So what is left in numerator? 6. This is p and one r. One q is also left and this r is also there. So if we product of all these three gives the result 6pqr. So this is the division of the given. Now fourth we are given 34x cube y cube z cube. This is divided by 51x y square z. So let's write it in a proper way. 34 x cube y cube z cube upon 51 x y square z. So my dear student, the factors of 34 are 2 into 17 theta. X cube 3 times x, x into x into x, y cube 3 times y into y into y, and z cube 3 times z into z into z. Upon 51 is, you know, factors of 51, 317 cha, x single time, y square, so y into y 2 times, and z cube indicates z into z into z 3 times. So my dear student, let's try to cancel the similar number or terms from the expression. 17 cancel, one time x is cancel, one time y is cancel, another time y is cancel, z three times, here also three times it will be cancelled. So you can see in the numerator what is left with us. This is 2 is left, x and this x, and beside this y is left, and in denominator only 3. So my dear student, here I need to mention 2 by 3, and beside this 2 times x is left, so it is x square, and one time y is left, so it is x square y. So this is the required result. So the fifth is on the screen, dear student. 12 a to the power 8 b to the power 8 divide by minus 6 a to the power 6 b to the power 4. So let's note down 12 a to the power 8 b to the power 8 upon minus 6 a to the power 6 b to the power 4. So my dear student, the factors of 12 are 6 to the 12. 8 times. So here I am showing you the different technique. Whenever we are having the bigger number as a power, so need not have to mention all those terms at the particular time. Don't repeat them. Instead of doing so, just mention it this way. Now here in the denominator is this minus 6. So it can be written as minus 1 into 6. Okay. Minus 1 into 6 is minus 6. So 6 cancels. So in numerator 2 is left, in denominator minus 1. Now dear student, here a to the power 8 upon 6. So let's simplify. What do we have here? If we simplify this, 6 already we have cancelled. Now as I was teaching you here, 8 to the power 8 and 8 to the power 6. So we can write 8 minus 6 in numerator. As the law of exponent we are applying, this is 8 minus 4. This is also law of exponent, says whenever the base similar and the divide is between them, then power should be subtracted. So according to this law, 2 upon minus 1 is minus 2. Please remember this minus will be multiplied numerator. 8 minus 6 is 2 and 8 minus 4 is 4. So my dear student, here minus 2a square b to the power 4. This is the complete solution of the fifth question of question number 1. Right? Let's go with the next. So exercise 14.3 factorization chapter, it's a question number 2, says divide the given polynomial by the given monomial. The first question is on your screen, students. 5x square minus 6x divide by 3x. Okay, this is polynomial, binomial, two terms are there. We are going to divide it by 3x. So what do we have? How to sort out? So let's see. 5x square minus 6x in numerator, in denominator we have 3x. So dear student, from numerator we can take out x common. You can see nothing is common, it means we need to work out on the x. X is common. So what will be left here? 5x minus 6. In denominator 3x will be left, x cancels. So what is left here? 5x minus 6 by 3. This is the solution. If not, then you can separate the denominator also. 5x by 3 minus 6 by 3. Separate the denominator. So we will have here 5x by 3 minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is the solution for. So my dear student, this question can be done in this technique also. Okay, if you are consulting the answer of the NCERT book, then it is giving something else. So not something else, but it is similar to this. You can apply this technique also. Here I am showing you the technique. So let's apply the second technique how to solve. Very easy. First of all, let's what we are given in the numerator, let it be as it is, and this is 3x. From numerator x can be common. So what is left? 5x minus 6 is left, and this is 3x. X will be cancelled, dear students. So here in the denominator 3 is left. So 1/3 in bracket 5x minus 6. Okay. So this is the solution, and this is also easy technique. Okay. So you can move with this also. The answer in both the cases same. So, my dear student, here the second is 3y to the power 8 minus 4y to the power 6 plus 5y to the power 4 divided by y to the power 4. So, let's note down whatever we have given. I am mentioning it in the numerator as it is and change in denominator y to the power 4. In numerator, let's take out the minimum power of the y. Here y is having power 8, 6, here is 4. So 4 is the minimum, so let me take out y to the power 4. So here 3 will be left, and if out of 8, 4 part is outside, so 4 will be left inside. Again here out of 6, 4 are outside, so here it must be 2 because 4 plus 2, 6. And here 5 will be left only because full y to the power 4 is outside. In denominator y to the power 4 is outside we are given, so this will be cancelled with this. So what is left with us? It will be 3y to the power 4 minus 4y square plus 5. So, my dear student, this is the complete solution for second. So, the third one is here 8 in bracket x cube y square z square plus x square y cube z square plus x square y square z cube divide by 4x square y square z square. So in that case, my dear student, let's note down this is in numerator 8 and I am mentioning here again what we are given in the question as similar without changing the power of any of the term. I am writing it as divide by this 4x square, 1 square, z square. So here you can see out of this we can cancel this 4 to the 8. Who will be left? Beside this, something should be common. What is common here? X cube, x square, x square. Out of these three terms, which is the smallest power? Cube square. So it is square I am taking outside. From y square, y cube, y square is smallest. 2 power is common. From z square and z cube, again z square is common. So my dear student, here I need to mention into bracket. What is left? Here it is, here one x is left. Okay, because x square we have taken common. Here plus in second term y cube is y square already outside, so one y left and here one z left. In the denominator, we are having x square, y square, z square is left. So here this will be cancelled with this will be with this. So what is left? The answer is 2 in bracket x plus y plus z. So the final answer which is left I am mentioning here only. So please note down the answer is final answer. What is left with us? That is 2 outside the bracket and x plus y plus z in another bracket. So I'm mentioning it here equal to 2 in bracket x plus y plus z. This is the okay. Now fourth is x cube plus 2x square plus 3x in numerator which is divided by 2x. So my dear student, I am mentioning this as a numerator. And what is denominator? That is 2x only. Now you can see from numerator the power of x 3 power, here power of x 2, here power of x nothing means 1. So what is minimum? Minimum x is common. So here x one time common, here it is cube, so square will be left. Here 2 is already there. X square, this one time x is outside, so one time x will be left and 3 will be left because one time x is already outside. In denominator, this is 2x, x is cancelled. So this 2 is in denominator, so I need to write 1 half and in bracket x square plus 2x plus 3. So this is the answer for the fourth part of the question number 2. You see? Here we are given p to the power 3 q to the power 6 minus p to the power 6 q to the power 3. Divide by p cube cube cube. Right? So let me note down first what we are given in the numerator. I am mentioning it as it is, and in denominator p cube q cube. So from numerator, can I take out minimum power of p? Here it is 3, here it is 6. So 3 and 6, the minimum power 3 is common. Now what about the power of q? Here 6, here 3. So again I should say that 3 power is common. What is left inside? This p cube is outside, q to the power 6 is here, 3 time outside, so 3 time it will be left. P to the power 6 is there, here a cube is there, so cube will be left. 3 times will be left because 3 plus 3 6 and cube is already outside. Now in denominator we have p cube, cube. Now you can see both of these similar terms cancel. So the answer is cube minus p cube. This is the solution. You see? So here question number 2 is over along with the